Welcome back to our exploration of where ancient wisdom meets modern science. Today we are diving into the heart of the universe. We are entering Module 4, where we tackle the principle of vibration. The Kybalion tells us that nothing rests and everything moves. It sounds simple enough, but as we will see, this ancient claim is practically the blueprint for modern quantum physics. Think about the difference between a cold piece of iron and a fleeting thought. They seem like totally different worlds, don't they? In reality, the only difference is the rate of vibration. It is a gap of frequency rather than a gap of kind. We begin with our first essential question. Is the universe truly in a state of constant motion even when things appear still? Next, we ask how the physical laws of vibration translate into our mental and spiritual experiences. And finally, can we actually use resonance to change our relationship with the world around us? It is time to find out. By the end of this module, you will be able to articulate the principle of vibration with both historical and scientific precision. You will also learn to explain core concepts like quantum field theory and wave-particle duality without needing a PhD. Lastly, you will analyze the genuine isomorphisms between these ancient laws and the latest findings in physics. For centuries, we thought the world was made of solid little balls called atoms. Modern physics has a much more musical view. Quantum field theory suggests that the basic building blocks of reality are not particles but fields. Everything is a field. Think of a violin string. Depending on how it vibrates, it produces different notes. Quantum fields do the exact same thing. Energy is directly proportional to frequency. This is Planck's relation, and it might be the most hermetic equation in existence. Then we have wave-particle duality. Every quantum entity exhibits both vibratory and localized behavior at the same time. Matter literally is waves at the quantum level. The Hermetic principle is not just a metaphor, it is a structural reality. Consider the electromagnetic spectrum. Light and radio waves and X-rays are all the same thing, just at different frequencies. What we call visible light is just a tiny slice of an infinite spectrum of vibration that our eyes can actually perceive. Just as most light is invisible to our eyes, most of reality might be imperceptible to our ordinary human consciousness. And if you really want to go deep, there is string theory. It proposes that everything is made of tiny, one-dimensional strings. Each particle is just a different note played on a cosmic string. It is a beautiful theory, even if it is still being debated. But vibration is not just invisible math. We can see it in action through cymatics, where sound creates physical form. Different frequencies produce different patterns. This is a direct and visible demonstration that vibration creates structure. Even in the vacuum of space at absolute zero temperature, quantum fields continue to vibrate. This is zero-point energy. Empty space is actually a seething ocean of activity. There is truly no such thing as absolute stillness in this universe. This leads us to the principle of sympathetic vibration, or what we usually call resonance. When two systems vibrate at related frequencies, they can exchange energy efficiently. They naturally begin to resonate together. The Hermetic teaching says like attracts like. In physics, we understand this as like resonates with like. It is about harmony. This might provide a physical basis for the idea of raising your vibration to change your relationship with reality. However, we must be careful with our language. Vibration in physics has a very precise mathematical meaning. Spirituality often uses it as a metaphor. Our goal is to find where the two truly overlap without distorting the science. In this module, you will engage in practices like sound immersion meditation to experience these concepts firsthand. You will also observe how different frequencies create structure and reflect on what that tells us about the world. We will even analyze popular uses of the word vibration to see if they hold up to scientific scrutiny or if they are just talk. Your assessments will challenge you to evaluate the principle of vibration against the latest physics using our framework. It is about building a personal synthesis that is both intellectually honest and spiritually profound. The universe is a song and everything in it is a note. It is time to learn how to hear the music. Let us begin. Head over to the first lesson of Module 4 to start your journey into the world of vibration. See you there.